So complex numbers. Definition of complex numbers. A number of the form a plus ib where a and b are real numbers. So here a and b are real numbers is defined as a complex number. So for example, 2 minus 3i minus 4 minus I 1 plus I root 3 are some examples for complex number. So here I is called imaginary number where the value of I is equal to square root of minus 1. The value of I is equal to square root of minus 1. So we denote complex number as a z. So z equal to a plus ib is a complex number. Then a is called real part of the complex number, real part of z. A is called real part of the complex number z and b is called imaginary part of z, imaginary part of the complex number z. Expressed in the form of a plus bi. So 5 minus 3i whole cube. Express 5 minus 3i whole cube in the form of a plus ib. So 5 minus 3i whole cube, it is of the form a minus b whole cube. So here a is equal to 5, b equal to 3i. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube, 5 cube, minus 3a square, 5 square, into b, 3i, plus 3a, 5, b square, b is 3i whole square, minus b cube, 3i whole cube. 5 cube 125 minus, so 5 square 25 into 3, 75 into 3, 225 into I. Next, so this is 3 into 5 into 3 square into I square. 3 into 5, 15, 15 into 3, 15 into 9, 3 square. 15 into 9, 135 plus 135 into I square. So I is equal to root of minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1. So this is 135 into I square is minus 1, so minus 135. So the value is minus 135. Next, minus 3i whole cube. So 3 cube is 27 I cube. So I cube is equal to I square into I. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into I. So this is minus I. Minus of I. So minus 27 into minus I. So that is, this is plus 27 I. Minus into minus plus 27 I. So now simplify. These are the real part. Simplify real part, real part. 125 minus 135 minus 10 minus 225i plus 27i. So subtract, we get minus 198i. So this is 5 minus 3i whole cube is equal to minus 10 minus 198i. So this is of the form a minus a plus bi. A plus bi. Express 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 minus I root 2 in the form of a plus bi. So in the numerator, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. A is 3, b is I root 5. A square, 3 square is 9 minus b square I root 5 whole square divided by, simplify the denominator, root 3 plus root 2i multiply by minus root 3 minus into minus plus I root 2. So 9, this is in the numerator 9. So here root 5 whole square is 5 into I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into 5 minus 5 into minus plus 5. So 9 plus 5 divided by, here root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. Root 2i plus root 2i 2 root 2i. So 14, 9 plus 5 14 by 2 root 2i. So divide 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So this is 7 by root 2i. In the denominator 7 by root 2i, in the denominator I is there, so therefore multiply and divide by I. 7 by root 2i into I by I. So 7 into I, 7i. In the denominator, root 2 into I square. I square is minus 1. Root 2 into minus 1. So plus by minus minus 7 by root 2 I. So 7 by minus 7 by root 2 I is the A plus IB form.